In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom objects in HubSpot without having to write a single line of code. This process can be incredibly beneficial for businesses looking to organize their data more effectively, and it's straightforward enough for anyone to follow, even if you're not a tech expert. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your HubSpot portal. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the gear icon, which represents your settings. Clicking on this will bring up a new menu where you can manage various aspects of your account, but today we're focusing on data management. In the settings menu, look for the section labeled Data Management. Click on it. This section allows you to oversee how data flows through your HubSpot environment. The goal here is to make data not only manageable, but also actionable, and custom objects play a crucial role here. Next, within the data management area, you'll see an option called Objects. Go ahead and click on that. Objects in HubSpot are essentially containers that help you categorize information, whether they're contacts, companies, deals, or tickets. But sometimes you need more flexibility than these standard options can provide, which is where custom objects come into play. Now, you should see a section for custom objects. Click on it. This is where the power of customization in HubSpot truly shines. By creating custom objects, you can tailor your CRM to better reflect the unique processes and data you work with every day. This flexibility ensures that HubSpot can grow with your business and continue to meet your needs. Once you've clicked on custom objects, look for a button that says Create Custom Object. Here's where you get creative. Clicking this button will prompt HubSpot to guide you through the setup process. It's worth noting that creating custom objects may require you to have a particular HubSpot subscription plan, so make sure your plan supports this feature before proceeding. If you need to upgrade your plan to access custom objects, simply follow the prompts provided by HubSpot. Remember, custom objects are a powerful feature, enabling you to track information specific to your business and can be a worthwhile investment. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to create custom objects in HubSpot without needing to dive into complex coding. Custom objects can significantly enhance your CRM system's capabilities, allowing for a more personalized and efficient data management experience. So, take a moment to explore this feature and see how it can be tailored to fit your business's unique requirements. Thank you for watching, and happy customizing.